What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Shippingeasy platform for easy and hassle-free shipping services worldwide online. So you need to go to their website, that's shippingeasy.com, and you will land on their homepage right here. They say that they are the easiest way to ship online and you can start shipping now. We'll take a look at their pricing and services pretty quickly, but if you scroll down here, you can see that they do integrate with most of the popular e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify, Squarespace, and others. You can connect here your store. I'll show you like an example on my Shopify store later. Now they promise you an intuitive interface. They integrate seamlessly with lots of services, automate workflows for repetitive tasks, and unlimited customer support. And here you get some other insights and features of the platform here, as well as some screenshots to help you like get a visual of what it looks like. And here are some awards that they took, so you know they are trusted. So let's take a look at their pricing first pretty quickly. Here you have the starter plan, which is free, up to 25 shipments per month. So it's ideal if you are just starting your business, or if your business is small now and you don't want to spend extra money. However, you can update to the growth plan here, which is, and you can choose the number of shipments that you handle or your business handle. Let's say I handle up to 6,000 shipments per month, and they'll cost you $99.99 a month. And of course you can start a free trial here, and you can compare the benefits of each plan if you want. Now here, let's start with the free plan for now, the starter plan. Get started. Here I need to sign up here with my email, password, phone number, company name, and the primary platform and the number of packages I might ship per month. For the primary platform, I'll select Shopify. Of course, you can select the e-commerce platform that you're on. And now I'll fill in all those details and continue to start my free account. Okay, and now that I entered all my details, start my free account. Okay, looks like there is something error as because I haven't like created an account yet. I'm just creating it. However, they temporarily suspended it because suspicious activity. Okay, looks like something is wrong. Because I haven't created my account yet, and they have suspended it because of suspicious activity was detected. Okay, let's go back and I'll try another email. Maybe the email I provided had something wrong with it. Okay, I've used another email, and also it's temporarily suspended. Okay, so it looks like there is something wrong here. Maybe there's a glitch in the website. So the next method, or the other method I'll show you, is through my Shopify store. So let's go to my Shopify store here. I've set up a free new Shopify store here. And let's go ahead to the apps and click on Add Apps and go to the Shopify App Store. Now here, search for Shippingeasy, hit enter. And you should see their app right here. This is the Shippingeasy app. Of course, you'll find similar apps on any e-commerce platform that you use. Now here, if you click here, you can open some information about the app. You can see here the plans. You have the starter plan, which is always free. Okay, now you can read some reviews, view some information and whatnot. Now let's install this application. Okay, click on install once again. Okay, so even from my Shopify store, they give this weird message. Seems like there is something wrong with the website itself. Okay, now let's go back and let's view more about the platform and its different features right here. So they offer you an easy way to ship online, simplify your UPS and USPS shippings. And you can watch this video to learn more and read the like features right here. Let me actually try to go ahead here and go back. Okay, and let's go back to the home screen. And let's try again with Shopify. Try installing it. However, if you get this message, you can contact their support right here and tell them what happened, and they will be able to help you. Now, if you go to their homepage here, let's view or take a sneak peek at the features. Now, here you have their main features. As for shipping, you get shipping like benefits such as shipping workflow, discount rates, advanced reporting, tracking, and return. And for the Shopify, you have Shopify Seller Suite. You have seamless shipping integration with Shopify and abandoned cart email, so that they can send emails for customers who left items in their cart and never moved to the checkout phase. Now, let's actually check out the Shopify Seller Suite here. And here you have the success package for Shopify. And they promise you that it has everything you need to succeed on Shopify and increase your sale. You can schedule a demo for them to show you how it works. Now here you get to email promotions to your customers so that they can be up to date with the latest offers and promotions and deals on your website. And here this email is automated, so you don't have to work on it. They also have abandoned cart follow-ups, as I told you, to send them emails to notify them they have items in their cart, product reviews and recommendations, fully customizable email templates that you have, automatic triggers based on your preference, and easy customer segmentation based on total order. Now here are the abandoned cart email, how it can look like. And you have the best rates for Shopify stores owner here, as they offer good prices. And you can automate your Shopify shipping with them, managing order and print labels, automate shipping with shipping rules. So you can get here customizable or personalized packages with your label and your logo of your business. You get hand-free label printing here with InstaLabel. So they do collaborate with InstaLabel to get you the personalization level that you want. And of course, you can get easy tracking and returns. Now you can go ahead and check the features for anything that you want, either if it's shipping or customer marketing. So they do offer email marketing. You can create email marketing campaigns just through them to market and promote your product. You can manage the campaigns, you get feedback requests from customers, and as well as interactive metrics for them. And if you take a look at their integrations pretty quickly, they do integrate with lots of platforms here. So if your platform is on the list, you can use their services to enhance your shipping and fulfillment rate of your goods. Now that was pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use Shippingeasy, integrate it with your online store to easily manage and professionally manage shipments for your items.